Okay, good evening, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, whatever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, the subscribe button is right here. Hit the subscribe button. Remember to check out this book. Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by yours faithfully, Martin Fine Speak Easy on Amazon.com. Check it out right now. Thank you. Stick around for the link, okay?
Naju odibo nwanyị nke ose blowa ekene Maria Ijiptel na Gracia ose blowa nọnyeli ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile ọ dịazị ngọzi bụ nwafọ gị bụ Jesu
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu rịọbara ịbụ ndị nje arịrịọ kịta na amanyọ nwanyị amen
okwu emere arụ
o wee binyere anyị
ekene Maria Ijiptel na Gracia ose blowa nọnyeli ịdị ngọzi n'etiti igboro niile ọ dịazị ngọzi bụ nwafọ gị bụ Jesu
Maria dị asọ nne nke Chukwu rịọbara ịbụ ndị nje arịrịọ kịta na amanyọ nwanyị amen
Yabara anyị ayọ ọnne nke Chukwu dị asọ
ka o weta onye na-ata nkwa nke Kristi
ayịyọ anyị na-arịọ gị o Chukwu kerinye Kraịst anyị n'ime obi anyị ka anyị bụ ndị nje butere ozi ọma wee mara iwere arụ Kristi nwa ya site n'afọ ya na obi ya wee bata n'otito na mbilite n'ọnwụ ya site na Kristi dị nwere anyị
amen
otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ
etu ọ dị n'isi na taa na ebo niile ruo ebe ebe amen
otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ
etu ọ dị n'isi na kịta na ebo niile ruo ebe ebe amen
otito dịrị Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ
etu ọ dị n'isi na kịta na ebo niile ruo ebe ebe amen
ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga
site n'ebere nke Chukwu ka ha zuru ike na ndokwa
ka mkpụrụ obi fa zuru ike na ndokwa
amen
Ekpere a bịara gị site na nkwado ndị Love Bite Foods and Beverages Limited Nnobi. Ndị na-alụpụta Love Bite Bread nọ na nọmba 1 Nwotu Mmadụka Close, Mmuru Nnobi, 0814988.
The news updates on Ebonadi 103.5 FM immediately after Angeles 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. weekdays. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebonadi FM breaks the news with actualities.
I believe that if we are hoping for a new Nigeria,
You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/GFM.
Good evening and welcome to Ebona, the 103.5 FM News. Anambra government arrests 40-year-old man for raping minor in Onitsha. The Anambra state government on Thursday apprehended a 40-year-old man, Anyete Tim, for raping a 14-year-old girl in Onitsha. The arrest came after the suspect had evaded operatives of the Anambra State Ministry of Women Affairs and Children's Welfare. The suspect, who hails from Etinan in Akwa Ibom State, during interrogation said he didn't know the victim was a minor, stating that the girl was the one tempting him, and because he was a full-blooded man, he had to react to her advances. He said she was my girlfriend and she was always feeling hungry as her family was starving her. To answer for his crime, the incident happened in 2022, after which the suspect has been evading arrest. He had on different occasions threatened the mother of his victim, claiming to be untouchable. Marketers visit Port Harcourt refinery, plan fuel loading in May. Oil marketers have paid a visit to the Port Harcourt refinery company in Rivers State and have expressed optimism that the plant may start releasing refined crude facility should be ready this month, as earlier hinted by the group chief executive officer of the Nigerian National Petroleum Trust of NNPC Limited, stated in Abuja on Wednesday that key safety and regulatory compliance tests were currently ongoing at the plant. This came as oil marketers told correspondents that the plant will start releasing products anytime soon based on their visit to the facility, as well as information from members working at the refinery. The Port Harcourt branch chairman, Eichmann Tekena Ipake, who disclosed this during a telephone conversation, noted the management of the refinery who represented Izar North, Ishielu Federal Constituency between 2015 to 2023, Honorable Anayo Edwin Nwonu, and a serving member of the State House of Assembly representing Izar Northwest State Constituency, Honorable Shikodere Nome, have dumped the People's Democratic Party PDP to the All Progressive Congress APC. Nwonu and Nome defected to the APC on Thursday with thousands of their supporters in an event organized for them in Ibiaje, Jude Opo. This is coming barely after Chief Lazarus Ogbe, Peter Ede, and Livinus Mbakwe, who were also federal lawmakers, left the PDP to the APC with their supporters, most who contested for the last governorship election in the state on the platform of the People's Democratic Party, but lost the party's ticket. He then defected to All Progressive Grand Alliance, operating in the Upper West local government area of Abia State, who visited him recently. Governor Oti described Abia as an investment-friendly state, saying it is his desire to see businesses operating in the state grow. He charged the company unfair labor practices as a way of attracting government's continued support, while allaying fears of clamping down on them following allegations of not providing conducive working environment for their workers. The governor encouraged the company to collaborate with the management of Abia Industrial Innovation Park as to take advantage of the opportunities provided in the area. Lin Shambai, managing director of the Inner Galaxy, explained that Inner Galaxy is a conglomerate of 4 companies that are into production, trailer parts assembly, battery. Now we move over to the foreign scene. Bishop stabbed during a church in an attack by a 6-year-old boy on Monday. Authorities have since declared the stabbing at Christ the Good Shepherd Church to be a terrorist attack. The knife attack was the second to rock the Australian city in a week, after 6 people were stabbed to death in a shopping center. In a clip released by the church on Thursday, Bishop Emmanuel said, "I forgive whoever has done this act," adding, I say to him, "You are my own. I love you and I will always pray for you." And whoever sent this have said the attacker is currently being treated for severe hand injuries in an unnamed hospital and has yet to be officially charged. Under New South Wales law, the incident could be classed as a terrorist act, but that does not mean the boy. This is where we draw the curtain on news update on Airborne at the 103.5 FM. But before we leave, a quick look at the headlines. Support industries attract new one. OT Bishop stabbed during church service in Sydney. Ifeanyi Chukwu Ekezie. Thank you for listening. Good evening.
News updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM immediately after Angelus, 6 o'clock a.m. and 6 o'clock p.m. Stay tuned to be updated, to be informed. News updates, live reports. Ebona FM breaks the news with actual. You can as well listen online via mixlr.com/gistfm.
Ebona, the featuring Metal, Lil Emma, Daddy Son, Sir White ahead tray of Dream FM 92.5 Enugu, Sky C, Udo Udo, King Girl C, One Kid, Noble Prince, Bob Zero, MC of the Day, Daddy C, Onion Zenebu, Sunday, 21st April 2024. Time 1 p.m. at Leofi Residency Hotel, Okite. Special guest of TK, Venerable Marcel Eme, Apostle Dr. John Oka, Reverend Canon Oliver Okaro, Reverend Father Bigmore Nnadozie Obieke. For Empire 916 7049.